What's up, guys? Back in the garage. Finally got these flanges in hand. Testing them out. Just wanted to give you guys a quick video. Basically, a set will come with two upper flanges, one lower collector flange. It'll come with an air fitting, and I'll be sourcing bolts for everything that you need. These are O-ring backed, CNC machined. They're thick. They look good. This is all O-ring backed. O-rings right there. They're actually square O-rings. Machine to fit. Seal up real good. I actually have a set installed over here. This is a known bad exhaust manifold. These will bolt on just like this. Super easy. The bottom part bolts on. I have a couple air fittings here from a leak down tester that I had. Just hooked into the air fitting, and check this out. So I know these are cracked. Typically your exhaust manifolds, if you haven't seen them, are covered in heat shields, which will make it even harder to find any kind of leaks. But with this setup, you can hook it up, dunk it in a bucket of water, test it right away. This has a good enough leak in it that you don't have to dunk it, but check this out. So you hear that? That's not my flanges. O-ring sealed. Check this out. That's a big crack between the flange and the pipe. You can see the soot from the exhaust, which typically you wouldn't see if these are wrapped or if they have the heat shields on. It's real hard to see that, but you can hear that. That's a big leak. And that's spool, man. That's spool, that's horsepower lost. These flanges will help you fix that. You can take these to a welder, get them welded up. You can make sure that your headers are good. They work really good. You can also use them if you have a welding shop to, you can set it up as a back purge so you can weld even better. No price is set yet. These will probably be sold on the 944 store website. Same place I sell my reference sensor tools. But I just want to show you these. I got them in hand. Just got to source the bolts for you guys, and then you'll see these pop up for sale. So that's them. They're cool. They're CNC. Why wouldn't you want them?